Just like chicken rice, fried rice, white rice, jollof rice, there's something called corned beef rice. And today I share with you my simple corned beef and rice recipe that I think you should try because I believe you will love it. What I have in my pot is already washed rice, and I'll proceed to add some water. The reason for this water is to simply parboil my rice. I would advise that you parboil your rice for about 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes, I parboiled this rice for 7 minutes actually. It's time to drain off the rice water. And all I just do is pour my rice into a basket and just allow the rice to drain. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe. Come along with me, let's cook together. I'll pour my cooking oil into my pot and then I'll add some onions and garlic paste. I usually don't like to cook with garlic, but for this recipe, I would recommend that you cook with garlic. Why? Because it takes your food, it takes the taste up a notch. I mean, from 0 to like 100. Okay, so after frying for about 1 minute, I'll go ahead and add my ginger paste. I'll be adding a lot of spices to this food, and every single spice works absolutely well. I would also not be using tomatoes. I just added my blended bell pepper and red long pepper. Yes, no tomatoes for this recipe. I would keep frying on medium heat as I add the other ingredients or spices for this recipe. I would go ahead now and add some scotch bonnet pepper. I know you were waiting for scotch bonnet pepper because obviously you know I like spicy food. Anyway, I just added some curry powder, bay leaf. I'd also be adding dried thyme because it is necessary and important. Then I'll mix this up very well. You can already see that the sauce is thickening. It's because of the bell peppers. Bell peppers will thicken your sauce in no time. So if you want your sauce to be thick, use more bell peppers. Now it's time to add my corned beef and I'll proceed to break it off into the sauce by mixing it very well. And of course, it's still frying. Don't forget, this sauce is still frying on medium heat. It's time for a little bit of salt. You have to be careful with this salt because if you'd remember or if you know, corned beef is a little bit salty. So you have to be, you have to be a little bit frugal with the salt. I'm not going to forget my bell peppers. I love bell peppers, and I'll be adding yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers, and orange bell peppers. I already blended the red ones with the red long peppers that I added earlier, and mix all of this up very well just to make sure that it's properly mixed. And I have to say, if you've watched my video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and of course please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now I would add my parboiled rice into this sauce mix. Now let's talk about rice. Do you know that I recently found out that there's something called fried rice syndrome? Yes, you heard me right. For a Nigerian who eats fried rice a lot, I mean, I had to like research on it. There's something actually called fried rice syndrome. But the good thing is, although it's not pleasant, it goes away on its own in about 24 hours. Thankfully. Anyway, now I am mixing my rice with the sauce to ensure that everything is properly mixed. I hope you're learning a thing or two about, how to cook rice with corned beef because this delicious corned beef rice is something that you should try. And for a Nigerian YouTuber like me, I need to say that Nigerians, we Nigerians, we eat a lot of rice. Like Nigerians eat rice almost every day. Rice is like a traditional Nigerian food that we just cannot do without eating. And if you're thinking or if you're wondering, is corned beef and rice healthy? Yes, I would say corned beef and rice is healthy. But don't forget, moderation is key in everything we do as human beings. Moderation is key. So yes, corned beef and rice is healthy, but please eat it in moderation and don't just go ahead eating very, very large portions of corned beef and rice. That would be a little bit unhealthy. So as I continue with the best way to cook corned beef and rice, I'd like to ask, have you subscribed to my channel? Now I'd add some seasoning because the rice is a lot and some water so that it would make the sauce underneath a little bit watery to make me not be too stressed with mixing this up very well. Remember, the sauce is really thick, so without some water, the sauce may just burn, and that's like a waste of ingredient and resources. So that's why I just added a little bit of water first, and you would see that the sauce is already sticking to the bottom of the pot. Yes, that's why I added some water, just to make sure that everything is, just to make sure that the sauce is a little bit watery, and if there's any sauce still stuck at the bottom of the pot, to make it easy for me to mix it up with the rice. I hope you are liking this video. I hope you plan to try this recipe. You know, on some of my videos, for example, there's this video I posted on how to cook rice and beans. I got a lot of positive comments on that video, people saying, oh, I didn't know this is how you cook rice and beans and it cooks well. Oh, I'm going to try this at home, and I was so happy. I don't know how comments like that, I don't know why comments like that make me so happy, but I just like to read comments like that. So if you feel this is something you would like to try, or if you try it and you like it, don't forget to let me know. Now I would add just a little bit more water after tasting my corned beef rice. This water now is to ensure that everything cooks properly and very, very well. I'll go ahead and add the remaining bell peppers because I love bell peppers. And if you eat bell peppers a lot, there's this lovely taste it adds to your meal. I'll cover this and cook for about 7 minutes because the rice is already almost properly cooked. After 7 minutes, this is what my corned beef and rice looks like, and it's time to mix everything up properly again very well. Like I would always say, and like I know I've said several times, don't forget to like my video, leave your comments, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Why? Because when you subscribe to my channel, it makes me happy. It makes me feel like I'm doing something good. It's just a form of encouragement. It's just a form of, I think, support that I appreciate from you. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you would like to, watch other Nigerian cooking videos, if you're interested in Nigerian foods and how to prepare them, you can just go to this channel, The Online Cook, and you'll find so many Nigerian food recipes that you will love, so many Nigerian food cooking video that you will love, and then like I would always say, good food should be enjoyed always. I mean, I like good food. And I hope you like good food. That is why you're watching this channel. That is why you're watching this video. All I'm doing is I'm simply mixing everything very well and I'm about to taste it. And my food tastes amazing as usual because me, I can cook. I added some chicken and allowed everything to steam together. And this is what my corned beef rice looks like. Plus the bonus of some well-seasoned chicken wings. Oh la la. Bye till I post my next